How are you?
I'm better.
Very good, very good. You guys are now late. I'm not used to you guys coming late. Yes, it always catches me by surprise. But fine, let us do a bit of math today. I want us to do, while we're still waiting for Oratiba, I want us to do sequence. I don't know what you guys,
Big.
you probably call them patterns, sequences, whatever. I don't know.
Yeah, oh,
You call them patterns.
yes.
Let's do this pattern, right? So you've got 2, you've got 4.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14,
Yeah. So what is the next digit here?
8.
8. So we're going to have 8 here. But another thing, I don't know if you guys learned this at school, but they'll ask you what the rule is.
It last 10 seconds.
Huh? So what is the rule of this?
This last.
Musaba, I know you.
I don't know.
Please help him. What will be the rule of this pattern?
You're counting with twos. Counting by twos.
Oh!
You add 2, right? You can either add 2 or plus 2. Again.
Yes, sir.
We're gonna do this and then we're gonna do like some more difficult ones. But let's just start with these. Okay, let's do 7, 14, 21, 28. Oh, I've given you so many. All right, let's move on to the next one. What's missing?
38.
How? How did you get to 38?
So, 35, so
How many?
35, so
It is 35. How did you get to 35?
I'm counting. So,
So what is the rule here? Musaba, can you see the rule?
so, okay.
It's plus 7, right? Or you
Plus 7.
you add 7. All right.
No, yeah, down.
Okay, so let's do Urati has just come through, but his audio is not in yet. So let's do 5.
Plus 2.
8, 11,
O
14.
I
All right. Give me the next three.
I
Sometimes they ask you to do like 3 digits.
17 and
Yeah.
20, 25,
After 17, what are we going to have?
20,
After
20,
20, what are we going to have?
23.
23. So our rule here is we add
Add 3.
3. Okay, let's just do it this way, right? Plus 3. All right. Let's see what I do. All right, good evening and welcome. How are you?
Away. I'm fine, Tatamu.
I'm good. Where is Viketo?
In the other room.
So quiet tonight. That's pretty cool, man. We're doing sequences, patterns. You guys have done this before. Sometimes they go backwards, right? So that's when you subtract. Let's do it this way. 85. Yeah, let's just do an easier one. 85, 80. Oh, this is an 8.
85.
75. Give me the next 3. What are we going to have here? What are we going to have here?
Oh.
What are you going to have here after 75?
70,
17 is over, you're right.
6,
75,
65, 60.
Yeah, because
60.
okay, let's give one another a chance, right? You know, let's be patient with one another. Oh, you guys are pretty brilliant. I must tell you that. I know you guys are very good with maths. I enjoy that. One of the things oh no, sorry, I need to do this. So what is the rule here? Onarene, what is the rule? Sabo, what is the rule?
-5.
-5, yeah, or subtract 5. I suppose this is a more glamorous way to put it. Subtract 5. Or you can just simply say in mathematics.
-5.
-5. Pretty cool. Okay, so we have what we call linear sequences and patterns, and then we have geometric now. It has to be geometric, but there's another word that I was looking for besides geometric. Exponential. Yeah. Okay. Let's do it this way. Let's do it this way. Let's go 32. Let's go 64.
No.
Yeah. Let's go 128.
128.
Hey. Let's go 256. Can you guys see the pattern here? Oh. All right. So what will be the next? Give me the next 3. Who can see the pattern here?
Giovanna.
Oh. Jovan.
My brain is jammed.
Huh?
My
Your brain is jammed. Okay. So
Yeah.
this one is division. Remember now you have to take these 2, the first 2, right? Previously, you would probably
Yes,
just subtract them, right? The big one from the smaller one. But what is 64 divided by 32?
64 divided by 2.
No, by 32. 64 divided by 32. Who can help us with that? Just left. Narena, can you help us with that? 64 divided by 32. Aura. Who's gone? Okay, Tsecho is back now. Are you guys not seeing the pattern?
We are.
Let's do it here. 64.
Sir,
Yeah. Well,
64 divided by 2.
64 divided by 32.
Answer. That's my answer now, sir.
I didn't hear it. What's your answer?
Sir,
What is your answer?
I forgot my answer now, sir.
All right. Okay. So
32.
64
This nigga took my
minus
answer.
64 minus 32
Yeah.
is 32. Okay.
Yeah.
Listen, Tsecho, please give us an opportunity to speak. Okay. 64 divided by 32. Get 2. Do you guys agree? Because 32 plus 32, what does it give us? What does 32 plus 32 give us? 64, right?
64.
64. But 32 plus 32 is the same as, it's the same as 32 multiplied by 2. Okay. So it's got a 32 multiplied by 2. Okay. 32 is 64. Okay. So that's how we got from here to here. Right? So now we're trying to say how we got from 64 to 128. How much is 64 multiplied by 2? $64 multiplied by 2. This is the only time I'm going to allow you to use calculators. If you have calculators, you can try and do this with your calculators. On your phone or whatever.
Sir,
Yeah.
can you get what?
64 plus 64.
64.
128.
It's 128. Let's do it here. The old school way. 4 plus 4 is 8. Right? And then 6 plus 6 is 12. Okay.
Sir, it's 128.
So we are still on the theme of multiplying by 2. So now that we have 128, how do we get to 256? We are going to say 128. Okay. We're going to say 128 plus 128. Let's just do it that way. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what's 128 plus 128?
So what?
This
8 plus
16, right? So we're gonna put 6
8.
and carry 1, right? 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 2 is 5. Okay. 1 plus 1 is 2. So you got how much? 256 out here. All right. Now that we have 256, I want us to calculate the missing digit there. What's the next in line? Musab, how are you going to go about it? I figured that you finally realized how it works. We're going to say this, I can Musab.
I know the answer.
What is the answer, Oratil?
512.
512, you're right. 6 plus 6 is 12, we're going to write 2 and carry 1. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 5 is 11. We're going to write 1 and carry 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. Okay, so we're going to have 512 there. So let's write it in black ink. So we have
5,
1, 2. So now we want to do 512 plus how much?
512.
Plus Bukai.
Safa,
Plus
2,
5
I know the answer.
What's the
equals
oh,
1024.
Yeah. 1024. Right. So that's like a gig. All right, cool. Let's write it in black ink. What is the next one?
the
know
next one. Oh,
10.
So we're going to say 1024 multiplied by 2.
multiply by 2.
Okay.
So, you said how much, sir?
4 plus 4?
8.
2 plus 2?
4.
0 plus
4,
0?
0.
0,
1 plus 1?
2.
There we go.
2.
There we go. So now what's the rule here?
The rule is we're counting in 30s. 32.
What are the chances, man? What are the chances?
Oh.
So our rule here is going to be multiply by 2. All your number, you just keep multiplying them by 2. So you got 32 here. You multiply it by 2, you get 64. 64, you multiply it by 2, you get 128. 128, you multiply by 2, you get 256. 256, you multiply by 2, you get 5112. 5112, you multiply by 2, you get 1024. 1024, you multiply by 2, you get 2048. Agir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Let's do this one. 3, 9,
9.
27, 81. Give me the next one, just one.
Agora, mas
I'm just gonna be calculate. Calculate. Okay. 8.
Can you guys see the pattern here? Orajila, can you see the pattern? Mosabo, can you see the pattern?
So, then
How do we move from 3 to 9?
200.
How do we move from 3 to 9?
By adding 6.
Okay, that's one way to do it. But how do we move from 9 to
8.
27?
Plus by adding 18.
So you see, that's not consistent with the rule, right? Let's look at another way of doing that. So what if I said 3 multiplied by 3 is 9? Will that be okay?
I don't know, sir.
3 multiplied by 3, and you know that that's true. Okay, fine. Let's then say 9, guys. Give me an opportunity, guys. Give me an opportunity to speak. 9 multiplied by 3.
Yes, sir.
What's 9 multiplied by 3?
Is
9 times 3.
9, 18?
27.
Yeah, that's 27. Cool. That's consistent with the pattern so far. So what's 27 divided by 3? I mean, multiply by 3. 27 multiplied by 3. Who can give us the answer? Okay, let's do it the easy way. 27 plus 27, keep going.
81.
Each one.
No, 27.
27 times 3 equals 221.
81, I agree. 7 plus 7.
I'm 81.
7 plus 7, keep going.
14.
Okay, 14, right? We're going to write 4 here and carry 1. 1 plus 2, okay, 3. 3 plus 2, okay,
5.
5. So now we're going to have to say 54 plus 27. What does it give us? 7 plus 4 plus 7?
11.
11. It gives us 1, and then we carry 1. 1 plus 6. I mean 1 plus 5.
6.
6 plus
2 equals 8.
81. So that's how we get 81. So now you take 3. 3 multiplied by 3 gives us 9. 9 multiplied by 3 gives us 27. 27 multiplied by 3 gives us 81. What's the next number? What's supposed to go here?
90.
91.
Give me the next number. So how I'm going to get the next number is this way. I'm going to say 81 multiplied by 3. Isn't it? I'm multiplying everything by 3. Thank you. So I'm going to say 81 multiplied by 3, right? The easier way to do that is 81 plus 81. Okay.
81 plus 81.
Hey, yeah, 1 plus 1. Okay.
2.
2. Okay. Then 8 plus, so that 8 plus 8. Okay, 16. So we're going to have 162 plus 81. Okay, let's do this. Okay. What's that? 162 plus 81. 2 plus 1?
3.
3. 6 plus 8?
Plus 8. 14. 14.
14. We're going to write 4 and carry 1. 1 plus 1? 2, 4, 3. Does anybody have a calculator there? You know, if you can calculate for us 81 multiplied by 3, does it give us 243? Just double check with the calculator. You guys are not supposed to be using a calculator, but you know, sometimes it sort of kind of helps to just double check. On your phone, who can confirm for us? Maybe I should do it for you guys.
No.
Who can check for us there? I
Me.
think I'll do it. Yeah, please do it. H1 by 3.
The answer is 496.
H1 multiplied by 3.
243.
81 multiplied by 3.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm helping you then. 81 multiplied by 3 is 243. Maybe it's me who's a little tired. Are you guys getting this? Kappa. It's still a bit dark. What can we do again?
Yes, sir.
Let's go 4. 12. 36. Let's stop here. What's the next number? So we are going to say 12 divided by 4. How many 4s are there in 12?
1.
4, 8, 12.
3.
So there's 3s, right?
3.
Yeah, fine. 36 divided by 12. How many 12s are there in 36? 12, 24.
24. 20.
The 12 for the guy, 36. Again, we've got this 12.
3.
D3. Yeah.
D2.
3.
Well, D3. Right?
D3.
For us to get to the next one, we need to multiply 36 by what? For us to get 12, we had to say 4 multiplied by 3. 12, right? For us to get 36, we said 12 multiplied by 3 is 36. So to get to the next number, we are going to say 12 multiplied by what?
3.
3.
3. 4. 3.
So what?
133.
What's the next term?
108.
Huh?
108.
Okay. I'm going to call this class off. You guys are tired. Let's do this. 6 plus 6?
12.
12. I'm going to write 2 and carry 1. 1 plus 3?
4.
4 plus 3?
7.
7.
Let's do one last thing. 2 plus 6?
8.
8.
7 plus 3?
10.
Answer is 108. Okay, guys. You're tired. Let's call it a night. Or maybe you guys want to have a look at this. Right. 4 multiplied by 3 get 12. 12 multiplied by 3 get 36. 36 multiplied by 3 get 108. So that is the pattern. Then the rule is, who can guess what the rule is?
Multiplying by 3.
You're right. That is absolutely right. Let us do this. What do you think would be the next step after 108? What do you think will be the next step? I get more than 108. Who can guess what the next term is? Now that you know what the
Yeah. 10.
what the rule is. So we are basically going to have,
8.
guys, 108 multiplied by 3, right? So 108 multiplied by 3. I hope I'm still around. Harriet and so 108 plus
I
1.
know the answer.
Okay, please wait for us. 108 plus 108. So 8 plus 8,
16.
16. We're going to write 6 here and carry 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. All right, 1 plus 1 is 2. So we got 216 out here. So you're going to have 216 plus what? 108. What does it give us? 8 plus 6? 14.
14.
All right, 4 carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 1. Does it?
3.
Is it the same answer that you had?
Yes.
Great stuff, guys. This is a bit technical. We will probably do it again tomorrow and the day after. Coincidentally, this is what we do with the kids as well. The contact class. So fine, we will do this tomorrow. I just want to let Ona that next week we are going to have a new learner who is a grade 3 learner. So I will be moving you, Ona, into the new class. So in this class, I'm going to be left with Oratile, Tseho, and Mosebo. You will be in a different class with someone your age group so that you don't get bored like this. At least we'll do stuff from your own.
Time set us now. 8.
You guys are going to stick to the same time. Arena will go to 6 p.m. and we'll work that around sometime next week. This whole week, things stay as they are. Right. Good night and see you tomorrow.
Okay, bye, sir.